So today I will teaching you how to achieve this type of video you see on my screen.
You know, you're probably the smartest person in this school.
Mind you, I
You're
directed
only
this
saying that
video
because I helped you
for
pass
using the
chemistry.
free app. And
No,
today I'm going
I'm
to
saying it because
teach
it's
you how
true.
to generate this type of dialogue video, high school movies, any kind of movie for free. So if today is the first day you are coming across my channel, we share free tools to generate your video without making any payment. So if you like this type of video, click on my subscription button and subscribe to notify anytime I drop a new video. So know that Rock AI and so many other AI apps are expensive, very expensive. And even after making payment, they still give you limit of video that you can generate in a day. But in this my channel, I show you free tools that you can use. So be sure to comment my thank you on my comment section and also stick to the end of this video. So I will be learning a new thing today. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys.
So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and get our story from ChatGPT first before we proceed. So I'll open my ChatGPT. So this is the story. I've already read it. So I'll just put you guys through because I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, I said give me a story about two college lovers, a boy and a girl discussing about their dreams after graduation. So ChatGPT go ahead and give me this story. So this is the story. They even give me a title. This is Dream Beyond Graduation. So this is the story. So story is longer. So this is the end of the day. Even say this story can be extended into a dialogue script for a short film or YouTube drama. So if you want, you can copy it, you can screenshot it, use this for your own story. So yeah, because we want our characters to talk, so I will say turn the story into a dialogue script. Make the characters discuss among themselves. So this is the dialogue script, as you can see. So this is it. So now this is Daniel talking. Daniel, look around the campus. It's hard to believe we will be graduating next week. Grace replied, smiling. I know it felt like yesterday we were trying to find our lecturer at the first day. Daniel said, and now we are about to leave the place behind. I will miss it. Grace replied, I will miss it. The classroom, the library, the friends, even those stressful exams. The story is actually interesting. So this is a dialogue. This story is enough for YouTube shorts. So this is the end of it. They say this story is suitable for I said the 3 to 5 minutes short film. So yeah, now we'll come and generate our image. So yeah, I say give me an image prompt of each skin in 3D pixel style. Make the characters consistent. So here they give me the character description, as you can see. This Grace character description. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to create our images. So this is the first prompt. So you copy your prompt, you paste it down here. Then you copy the character description. So this is character description for Daniel. You copy it. Copy everything. So when you are done, you paste You copy, you paste. The same thing, you still go over, copy the girl's one. So the character will stay consistent across all your schemes. So yeah, copy this Grace character description too. Copy it, then you paste it. Then now paste down one. So here now you say give me oh this thing will start from down now. Now yeah now you say give me an image or create one. It should be create an image. So on downside you will type image format depending on where you are posting. So I'm posting on YouTube 16.9. So then if you like you can still change the image description. If you want, you can change some things. You can come here. This place they say dark brown hair. Daniel have a dark brown hair. You can change it. So if you want to change the clothes, you can edit it and change it if you want. But I'm leaving it the same. So you're waiting for the image. Okay, this is the image. So here now you open your image. You save. So after saving the image, we'll go to the app we are using today. So you open your browser. In your browser, you type oreate AI. This is the first one here. So you click on the first one. When it's open, it looks like this. So if it's your first time, they will show you how to log in. But yeah, because I've logged in, that is why my own is looking like this. So you see where they say slide agent, AI image, everything. So here you will click on that AI video. So something like this will open. So can you see? So you come here, click this place. You see where they say text/image to video. The second one they say first and last frame to video. So you click on the second one, you click on apply. Then you click on this one too. You leave it. It's on dance 2.0 mini. So leave it there. So you click here. You can choose your portrait size. So if you're posting on Facebook or IG or TikTok, you choose a 9.16. Sorry, depending on where you're posting. So then you can change the time if you want 10 seconds, 5 seconds. But I'm leaving everything the way it is. So I'll just leave it there. You come here, you open your gallery, then you take the photo, you select the photo. So when the photo is, then you select from the second one too. So when the photo is loading, let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our conversation. So we'll come back here. We go to our conversation. So there's the conversation. This is it. So when you come here, we copy Daniel and Grace conversation. So I'm going to copy only two. I'll do it bit by bit so there won't be any mistake. That app is going to be giving you that oreate AI is going to be giving you free credits every day. 80 free credits and every day. And if you have different email, like me, I have different email. If you have different email, you can be changing, swapping your email and be generating videos more than can generate as much as you want. That's why I say you have different email. Each one you log in with, they give you 80 credits. That 80 credit you can generate 3 video out of it. So here now, we say Daniel, we open brackets, we say Daniel the boy. So they will know who to talk and who to keep quiet. So you close, you come down, Grace is the girl. So you open another bracket. You say the girl, close it, you close it. So you come down here, you open another one, speaking. If you don't want to do this one, you can leave it, but I always do it so like I will not be making mistake. The AI will know who to talk and who not to talk. So here we say speaking slowly. I close the bracket, then I copy, select all. To go back to see if our image is updated. So now you paste the conversation you copy from ChatGPT, paste it here. So you click on send. So the video is ready. Can you see it? So let me play it. So you click on this play. I want the voice to hear. I want you guys to hear
It's
the
hard to
voice.
believe we'll be graduating next week.
I know. It feels like yesterday we were trying to find our lecture
Can you
halls on the
see
first
that?
day.
So here now you click on this arrow that is pointing down. You click on it. Click on it. It's going to show you download. So it's going to save to your file. Save it to your file. And if you open your file, you will find it there. So you still go back, get another image, do the same thing we did. So you keep going on and on till you generate your whole video. And the free credit you can only generate maybe 2 to 3 video every day. So but if you have another email, you can log out one, log in with another one, generate as much video that you want. So if you have watched, then later you go to CapCut and put it together. So if you have watched this extent, thanks for watching and see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also see you guys in my next video. Bye.